Hello. This is my 5th time trying to record this video. And for a myriad of reasons, it's been a difficult one. But the title, whatever it is, I haven't decided that bit yet. The title is true, there's no clickbait here. I'm going to clear everything up and immediately say this video you're watching right here is the last video that will be getting posted on this channel. Maybe one day, again, there will be another video. But as of for the foreseeable future, and I'm going to say indefinitely from now, so you don't get any hopes up and you don't wait, this is the last video. Now I've got some really good news, and obviously I can explain this bad news, if you will. I'll get to the good news in a minute, because it's really going to be beneficial to everybody. But the explanation of why, of this bad news, if you will, it comes down to one reason and a very difficult decision that I had to make. So I am very business orientated, very business minded. I love the art of business. It's a lot of fun to me, and I get a lot of enjoyment out of it. Now, business has also been what I've been working on for about 6 years outside of this YouTube channel. And then for the past 2 years, I've been trying to, get into the art of business and see what sort of business could be like on YouTube. And so I've been dabbling in that for the past 2 years, amidst making a bunch of free content, obviously. But for the past 6 years, I've been working on a real estate marketing company. And I have reached a point in the road, a little fork in the road, if you will, where I cannot keep giving my all to both of these businesses, both of these passions for me, without them both failing, them both falling lower than they could be. I really want to only give one thing my absolute and all-out focus and supply the best product, the best service, the best of everything to one particular client. And, I've been juggling up YouTube and real estate marketing, and I enjoy both of them just as much, just as equally. They have different pros and cons, obviously. But I am passionate about both of them, and I really enjoy both of them. I have chosen to go the route of real estate. And this decision didn't come easily to me either. It took me about 3 days of stress. I wear a Whoop. This thing is, I don't know how else to show you it. It's like a little, think of it like an Apple Watch. It measures all your vitals and stuff, but without a screen. My Whoop has been showing me that for the past 3 days, I have been bottom of all my vitals, my nervous system has been crashed out at the bottom, and there's a part of that due to sickness. I've been sick for the past 3 weeks. But the other part has been the pure stress of making this decision. It doesn't come easily. I'm not here like, I'm done with YouTube, it's fine. It was just a little passion project. Lord have mercy, I put probably more time into YouTube, into this channel, than I have into anything else in the past 2 years. It's taken up my life. I've worked 7 days a week. I've written emails every single week. Then I tried to make it the best FPV newsletter in the world. I tried to make this channel the best for beginners in the world. And that was weekly content for a little bit recently too. And those two things come along with a lot of time. There's a lot of behind the scenes. It's not just I pull this camera up. This will be the easiest video I've ever made, genuinely. Normally there's about a day's worth of planning behind a video, then half a day's filming, and then a day to 2 days of editing. And then I post it up, and then I do all the links and the thumbnail and all of that jazz. it's a long process to make one video, especially at the quality that I've been trying to produce. Anyways, it's not some excuse, it's not some moment of pity, it's just, it takes a lot of time. And I've sacrificed a lot of time to make this YouTube channel a thing, and I've really enjoyed it. I've learned a lot, and I've also gotten a lot of support from you, and it's been really amazing getting emails and seeing comments from people saying like how I've helped, or like how the content's helped, and how they're now flying, or how it fixed this problem, or they've got this drone and they love it, and it's really cool. Like, I've loved it. I love the feedback. It's beautiful. And I'm going to miss that. I'm going to miss the community. I still have drones. Voila. And I have more drones in this little box over here. So I still love FPV. And check this out. So I haven't made this. This was made by my good friend Julius. Check that out. That is an FPV camera on with like a whole fan system and everything. There's like a filter back here. Check that out, there's like a filter and everything, which is dirty. This RC car has been like, oh, good Lord. This RC car has been like another massive part of fun. It's all FPV. It's got an FPV camera and it's freaking awesome. Anyways, where I was going with that is I still love FPV. I still have all the drones and everything like that, but I'm just not going to continue making YouTube videos about it. I'm going to go and focus on real estate content. Now, enough blabbering here. What is this lovely opportunity, this lovely bonus, if you will, the positive, the good news for you guys? Well, I no longer want to pursue YouTube, this YouTube channel, as a business avenue. And not because there's anything morally wrong with that. I've actually really enjoyed it. It's been a lot of fun learning about that side of things. But I no longer want to pursue this YouTube channel as a business. Which also means that my paid products, which I am very proud of and genuinely believe is worth it, worth the prices I was charging. And I say was charging, because would you believe it, I've made them free. Just accessible here on YouTube. So you can go through the workshops, both workshops entirely, get all the assets, everything for free. There's no catch. I don't even have an email newsletter anymore, so there's no sign up paywall, if you will, even though it was free, but none of that. It's just, you go there, you go to the link, you just go to the description, and there is a link to a YouTube playlist now. I made it a YouTube playlist. I took it off the Thinkific platform. Thinkific platform was great for when I was paying for it, but that's $100 a month, and I can't afford to keep paying that. What is that, like $1,200 a year just to keep it free on Thinkific? So I moved it over here to YouTube, and it's free just in playlist form. Yeah, there's no text or anything. Now, the people that have purchased the FPV workshops, any bonuses that you paid for, like the, what is it on the First Flight? So on the First Flight workshop, there's the bonus of me reviewing your footage. That's still open. If you've purchased the workshop, you still get that bonus. You just submit the footage the same way that it says within the Thinkific platform, because you still get access to that. You still get the exclusive access to Thinkific and all of the documents that I can't put onto YouTube. So you still get access to all of that. And no one else will ever get access to that. You're the only ones that will ever get it. So use that, please. Like, use it. Anyone else that now does the First Flight workshop, obviously I can't provide you with a free service of reviewing your footage. It's now just, you can hopefully ask some other people. And there are other people out there that can answer your questions and review your footage and have a look through it, and hopefully somebody else will, because I think it's a really powerful way to learn is to have somebody else watch over what you're doing and provide feedback. But yeah, so everything that I've ever produced, all my paid for, paywall content, if you will, whatever you want to call it, is free in the description below. The links are there. And I've done that as a thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your time. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for making this past 2 years a lot of fun. I'm genuinely sad. I am sad to leave this. I'm sad to let this go. But it aligns so much better with my goals to do this and to not look at returning. So, yeah, on that note, get out there, have a bit of fun, go fly some drones, meet new people. I don't know. Live your life, enjoy it. I'll be motivational, right? I'll be a motivational speaker. I don't know. Just, yeah. I've got nothing else to say. I won't say I'll see you very soon because I probably won't, but yeah. Thank you for a great couple of years. And thank you for your support. I'll forever be appreciative of it. All right. Get down to that description. Go and click some of those free links and learn some shit. All right. We won't see you very soon, but we'll catch you on the flip side, whatever that means. Peace.